Welcome to my outdoor gym. There is no excuse not to get outside and have some fun, get some exercise. So I don't have a gym membership right now, and so I got to come out here. I'm slowly putting together a nice outdoor gym. So join me for a little workout here. Get inspired. Stay fit, stay healthy, eat right. Let's do a little warm up here. Just the basics. It's really more fun when there isn't a camera. You know, I'm not saying that having you here isn't fun, but when the camera goes on, you're like, okay, get your Instagram butt, it puckers up, what will they think of me? Because really, you're not going to talk, So there's going to be some empty space. But listen. Of course, I'm listening to Helmet. I like to listen to music when I work out. It gets me kind of pumped, especially like Helmet. I just have it on, shuffle on the iPod. So here we go. Sunlight, fresh air, nature. music, fun and relaxation for yourself, you know, just to let go, can be free in a world that's so tight. Right now, you could stick a coal up the world's butt and a diamond would come out. That's how much pressure people are under from the media hypnosis. And this is how it's affecting me. I'm going crazy with the baddest drum beat, you know? I got some dumbbells. I'm putting together the gym out here. I'm gonna gather some more, hopefully some better logs. And some better rocks. I'll just keep moving around. It's one of my favorite spots. Boom. Yeah, baby. And then I sit up on this rock up here, meditate afterwards. So I take my bike. It's dope, dude. It's the dopest bike trails, dude. Arizona, Prescott. These people like to just get outside, okay? They don't want to be told what to do and all this other hoo-ha. They just want to be out, four-wheel driving, biking, mountain biking, hiking trail right through here. Mountains, rocks, nature, little creeks and stuff, trees to climb. Just get outside, man, and just relax. And then the fresh air and the sunlight especially. And bees, little bees. Come here, Mr. Bee. All right, I think you get the idea. I'm listening to Tennessee whiskey now. And what, that little 11-minute video? Yeah, so cool. Thanks for joining me today. Leaving a comment for the algorithms, thumbs up for the algorithms. And I'll try to do more videos outside and stuff. I spend a lot of time outside, but I really don't talk that much when I'm not on the phone doing consults or making videos. I like to just go sit on a rock. I climb up here, little rock climbing, sit up there and just pono. So bless you all very much. Yeah, health, it's in your hands, baby, and there ain't no excuses. Can you dig it?